my hand.
Using
You
a
want to
hawk
spread.
and
I'll
trowel
even spread. Sometimes when it's a big load,
with
it'll help
Athena
rest
Steen.
on this part of my arm, which spreads the load. It's not all on my wrist, right? And that will really help. So when you're doing the
whole route.
This right here? Let's see.
taking it off, a good way to learn is take it off all at once and then put it on, because that'll get your body to know the right motion. And actually, it's always opposite. People think that it's this, but it's not this motion. And if your hands are getting dirty from it, it's because you're doing a flip. What is that? You're doing rotating. In fact, lock it in place and put it all on. It can't fall off, right? And it's this arm that actually moves. So you gotta, right? And then everyone gets scared because they do. But still, this arm didn't move. Notice it's locked in place. It doesn't move. It's this one that moves. Okay. And that way, and if it's staying up, it can't fall off to the gravity. And then you can go to the wall, and you're ready. You know. So you guys are gonna practice over these cups.